This happens to me all the time. I factory reset a Windows 7 machine, Windows 8, and it has the old Internet Explorer browser. This one's Internet Explorer 8. So it's a pain to upgrade Internet Explorer. I just want to install Microsoft's Edge, which is basically a copy of Google Chrome. You can see when I try to click launch now, I can't even install Microsoft Edge. It takes me to this Internet Explorer cannot display the web page. I know if you're IT, you probably have it on a USB flash drive and you install it, but I just think it's pretty lame that Microsoft. I can't even download the Edge browser through their website because the cookie or whatever security protocol they don't do correctly or well. In contrast, Google Chrome works just fine, and I always end up just Googling Google Chrome, and I look for where I can download Google Chrome, and you can see over here, Google makes sure that the link to download and install Chrome works. So this is a heads up for Microsoft. If you want to become popular with your browser as well as your search engine, you should just make sure that it works for older systems. This is a basic use case where someone resets their computer and needs a browser. So I need Chrome, and Chrome works. All I had was Google it, and I can run and install it. Whereas Microsoft, when I click the launch now, it takes me to diagnose connection problem. And there's no connection problem. That's my short story. So if you need to install a browser, just use Google Chrome, unfortunately, because Microsoft can't get their act together. Just saying.